So many people are asking, what is the DOM? Let's talk about it. The DOM is a document object model. When you launch an HTML page up into the browser, it becomes a document object. The document is the page. The object are the elements and the attributes. And the model is a happy little family tree. Here we have an example of an HTML DOM tree. You can see at the top we have HTML, and then right below that we have head and we have body. And these two are children of HTML, and they are siblings to each other. And if you see from the body, we have header and footer, which are children of the body and also siblings to each other, so on and so on. It's great to see a graph with a DOM tree, but what's it look like in real life? Well, let's check it out. This is one of my favorite references, the Mozilla MDN. I am going to control click or right click, and I am going to click on inspect. And this is actually going to pop up our dev tools so that we can see a real live DOM tree. I'm going to kind of minimize this down, and you can see based on the graphic I showed you before, the parent was the HTML, and below that was the head and the body. And you can see if I hover over this, the head isn't activating anything because there's nothing that should be showing up for visitors to see. But the body, the entire thing lights up blue. So now if I click on this, it's going to show you even more of this DOM tree by showing us the scripts, these divs, and as I hover over these, you can actually see where they're lighting up on the website. Another thing to keep in mind is these comments here are even part of the DOM tree. They are children to the body. And any comments that would be within header would also be children of the header. So as far as we keep breaking this down, this A tag is a child of this div. And these two this div and this nav are children of this div, but they are siblings to each other. So that's how a DOM tree works. And this is very important once you start getting into CSS and JavaScript, because those things are going to cascade and they're going to affect each other as that goes down and you dive deeper and deeper into it. People get intimidated by the DOM, but don't be. It's an amazing weapon in your arsenal. And if you structure everything properly, you're going to be able to do amazing things with it. So I can't wait to see it in our next Nuggets of Know.